Hey movie lover, how about you getting paid for just watching movies? Sounds good, right? Did you know you can make up to $500 per week by only watching movies? Now that you're here, let me show you how to start earning right away. First, be sure to watch this video to the end, as I have not one, not two, but 3 different guaranteed websites to share with you. With that, you can make money on 3 different websites simultaneously. Now, let's start making money. The first step is to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification so you don't get to miss more videos on how to make money online from the comfort of your home. Done? Let's go to the next step. Now, using your phone or laptop, search for Film Tagger. Google will automatically direct you to the website, or you can use the link attached in the description below to get started. You see, Film Tagger is a movie recommendation engine for screenwriters, directors, producers, film buffs, and even students. You must have been watching movies for a long time, and all you get is notifications about your exhausted data. But now, making money while enjoying your movie is more than possible if you only watch this video to the end. On Film Tagger's webpage, you get movie recommendations, and in case you have a movie title in mind, there's a search box for you to use. These movies are tagged by genre, themes, locations, and so on. The buttons will give you a directive to a list of popular, similar movies to the one you searched by categories. Let's say you've searched for the movie Moneyball. The page will display the movie title, the description, and a picture of the movie poster. You can easily get other movies similar to it by the genre by looking to the right side of the page. Knowing about these tags is very important for you to earn more money, and you'll find out soon as you keep watching the video. On the movie you've searched, below the description, click on Read More to expand the description, and click on Expand Keywords to see every keyword there is under the movie. These keywords help to further describe the movie. For example, you need to watch a movie that involves anger, period pieces, baseball, father-daughter relationship, and so on. You can easily be directed to this movie and others similar to it. Now, let's talk about how to make money with tags. Go to the Netflix Jobs website or follow the link in the description below to go to the website. Sign up as a movie tagger and voila, you can start making money by categorizing movies and TV shows for Netflix. What Netflix does is hire people as taggers to help them tag and categorize movies and shows throughout thousands of options. This is what to do as a movie tagger. Watch movies and TV shows available on Netflix, and after that, you'll need to type the keywords you think users are likely to type when searching for a particular movie. Your job as a tagger includes objective information like the movie casts, and also compelling subjective information to make people watch the movie. By doing this, you can earn up to $500 weekly. Amazing, right? Keep watching this video as I'll be giving you tips on how to make even more. Well, the only place you can get Netflix tagger jobs presently is on their website, and so you just have to type tagger into the search box on the website to find openings. Before I forget, you need to keep in mind that at the time of your search, you might not find any available spot. You need not worry. All you have to do is bookmark the website and check back at least once a week. To have a better chance of getting a spot, you might want to try it more than once a week. While you're checking to get an opening, here's another website that will pay you just by watching movies. WinTub. On WinTub, you can make at least $2.48 every 3 minutes of watching. On this website, there are 2 ways you can make money. The first one is simply by watching commercial ads, movies, and TV shows online, just like we've discussed in the beginning. Now, keep watching this video as I will be revealing another way to earn on this website, which means you can earn in 2 different ways on the same website. Before I talk about the second method, let's talk about getting into the website. Well, it's quite easy. Just like the others, you just have to type WinTub on the search box and Google will direct you to the website automatically. Or you can also choose to use the link in the description to get started. Now that you're in, let's talk about what you have to do. You can also earn money by referring your friends with a referral link that would be provided for you on the website. Once your friends join, you automatically receive $1 while your friend receives $5. So everybody wins. What are you waiting for? Click on the link in the description to get your first $5. Done? Let's proceed. You need to know that you cannot withdraw the money instantly, as there's a minimum amount you can withdraw on the website. But once your balance is up to that amount, you can transfer the money into your bank account, PayPal, and even your Gcash account. The website is real, as over 1,500 brands have partnered with it, so they can offer you new videos to watch every time. After you've entered the website, you have to click on the Get Started button to enter some details about yourself. There's no question you won't be able to answer, as these information include your first and last name, date of birth, your gender, your email address, and a password. Next, you take the CAPTCHA test, and then click on the Create Account button. That's it. You're all set to receive your first $5. If $5 is all you have in your balance, there's nothing you can do with it, right? Don't worry, I'll show you how to make your money grow. On the website, you'll see videos displayed, and on the video is a play button that you have to click. After that, it would display showing you that the video will soon start playing. Just hold on as it would play in seconds. Then you can start watching. In case you feel the video is too long, you really don't have to watch the whole thing. All you have to do is watch for 34 seconds and you're done. Once the video starts to play, look out for the video countdown timer, where you'll see the remaining time left of the 34 seconds that you need. Once that's up, click on the Complete button and you'll be directed to an ad. Close the ad, then click on the Complete button again. On your dashboard, you'll receive a success message saying you've received 61 cents, but that won't reflect on your balance until you refresh the page. Once you're done, you'll discover you have other videos on the board. Can you still watch and earn? Yes, you can. All you have to do is just repeat the process from the first video in the next videos. Mind you, the maximum is 5 videos in 24 hours. Stop there and continue earning the next day. Now you know the earlier you start, the earlier you earn, and the better your chance of withdrawing your money earlier. Once you're done for the day on that website, you can also check out this website where you can earn by watching. Nielsen. Nielsen is a global research company that provides the market standard in audience and consumer measurement. You might have heard about Nielsen, or you might know it from the Nielsen TV ratings. They've been a trusted brand in the media measurements for over 90 years, and they currently study consumers in more than 100 countries. That means there's a lot to do. You can use the Nielsen computer and mobile panel to be a part of the research team to help you out on how consumers behave by simply registering or by installing the Nielsen application on your device. On Nielsen, you're not only helping to mold the future of the online world, but you're also making money. Nielsen allows you to make money easily just by watching your favorite TV series or anything else you wish to watch. After you've downloaded the app, you don't have to do much on your device. Nielsen is kind of different from other sites. Nielsen computer and mobile panel is so nice to use because you don't even have to change your viewing habits, unlike some websites that make you watch ads or other sponsored concepts. On this site, you get to choose whatever you want to watch. It doesn't matter if it's Netflix, YouTube, or any other thing. The setup is very easy. You don't really need a guide to get it all set up, and there are no specific requirements. What you need to do is create a username and password and provide some basic information about yourself. In addition to the $50 annual payout, participating in the program makes you eligible for a periodic prize draw. Every month, the company gives away $10,000 to be split between 400 people. Who knows? You might be lucky enough to be one of the winners. If you win, you have another $25 with a grand prize of $1,000. Before you start, be informed that participating means you're sending the company some of your private browsing data. Now that you have 3 different websites where you can get paid just by watching movies or videos, are you making money yet? Well, the good news is there are more ways to earn money online from the comfort of your home. Check out other videos on this channel and keep making money like never before.